In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can convert Filmora video to MP3 just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your Filmora account like this and upload your video that you want to convert to MP3. Okay, I uploaded this one. So for example, I want to convert this video to MP3. Okay, all you have to do, you just need to click over here on export like this. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down, go over here to format and click on format and make sure to scroll down and search for MP3. Okay, over here I will select MP3 like this. Okay, and what you will do next, you just need to click over here on export, and that's it. That's how we can convert Filmora video to MP3. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.